How to set up your 2 horsepower single-phase compressor. Tools required: protective eyewear, safety gloves, screwdriver, spanner, level indicator. Step 1. Ensure your compressor has a gap of 60 cm on all 4 sides. This will help in better cooling and serviceability. Step 2. Use the level gauge to ensure the compressor is placed on a flat surface. Step 3. Remove the breather valve and pour compressor oil. Ensure to pour the oil slowly to prevent overpouring and spillage. Make sure the oil level stays at the center of the red circle in the oil indicator. Underpouring will lead to increased wear of parts due to the lack of lubrication. Overpouring will lead to the excess oil throw-up from the breather valve and oil carryover in the pipelines. Step 4. Close the breather valve after oil is poured to the correct level. Remember, safety is very important. Turn off the junction box. Step 5. Use a 25 amps circuit breaker. Connect one end of the circuit breaker from the junction box and the other end to a Bakelite connector. This will ensure electrical safety and prevent damage to the motor coils and other electrical equipment in the compressor. Connect the wires from the compressor starter to the Bakelite connector. Turn off the starter. Turn on the junction box. Turn on the circuit breaker. Turn on the starter. Step 6. The direction of compressor rotation should be anti-clockwise. A simple way to check is to take a piece of paper and show it in front of the compressor. If the paper is blown away from the compressor, it indicates correct function. Step 7. Check proper functioning of the air filters. Place your finger near the intake of the 2 air filters. If your finger gets pulled towards the filter, it indicates proper function. Warning: do not overextend your fingers or hands towards the cooling fan. Step 8. Look at the motor nameplate. Check the current rating on the motor. In this case, it is 14A, which refers to 14 amps. Use an AC clamp meter to check the amps reading. The compressor should not cross the rated amps at any given pressure during continuous run. The voltage should be maintained at 220 volts plus or minus 10%. Step 9. Check the safety valve function. Pull the cord of the safety valve. If you hear the air being released, it indicates correct function. You are now ready to use your BAC compressor. Steps to turn off the compressor. Turn off the starter. Turn off the circuit breaker. Turn off the junction box. The helpline sticker contains contact information. For any technical assistance, please feel free to contact us.